Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will see India's biggest coastal corridor project, which is East Coast Economic Corridor. East Coast Economic Corridor is India's biggest and first coastal corridor which covers 2500 kilometers of India's coastal line. For this project, Asian Development Bank invested around $500 million. In 2013, this bank is jointly working with the Indian government right from the planning phase. In 2016, the first phase of the project, which is Visakhapatnam to Chennai corridor, has been approved by the Asian Development Bank Board. This East Coast Economic Corridor is running along the entire east coast of India from Kolkata to Kanyakumari. This corridor plays a vital role in unifying the large domestic market as well as integrating the Indian economy with Southeast and East Asia. This also helps in the import and export from the other countries. This 2500 kilometers corridor covering India's major coastal states like West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. These states have major highways and railways which helps in the transportation from coastal region to central India very easily. There are 12 major ports in India, out of which 7 ports are covered in this coastal corridor. Chennai, Ennore, Haldia, Kolkata, Paradip, Tuticorin and Visakhapatnam ports are covered in this coastal corridor. This corridor scope is so vast that it is planned to complete in 3 phases. The first phase is for Visakhapatnam-Chennai Industrial Corridor, and the second one is Chennai-Kanyakumari Industrial Corridor, and the third one is Odisha Economic Corridor and West Bengal Economic Corridor. The first phase of the economic corridor was started in 2016 and currently it is in progress. Only after the completion of the phase 1, the phase 2 and phase 3 are planned to start. This Visakhapatnam-Chennai Industrial Corridor is a transport corridor, extends over 800 kilometers along the National Highway 16 on the coast of Andhra Pradesh, connecting clusters where industries are located. It is a key region for food production, especially for marine products and rice, chemical and petrochemical products. It is also becoming the gateway for the textile movement. The second phase of the economic corridor aims to accelerate the manufacturing growth in Tamil Nadu. In third phase, Odisha Economic Corridor, Odisha is a mineral rich and contributes to Indian steel production. This corridor plays a crucial role in transportation of various goods. For West Bengal Economic Corridor, West Bengal has the 4th largest economy in India. It is India's leading state in terms of power distribution. West Bengal is a gateway for Northeast India and Southeast Asia, being served by key national highways and Asian highways. It has 2 international ports and several inland waterways. With the development of this coastal corridor, millions of job opportunities will be increased and helps in the growth of country's GDP. Hope you liked this video. I'll come up with another video with the individual scope of each corridor. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon for more video updates.